Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling winter with the best electric snow shovels, the ultimate tool for quickly and effortlessly clearing snow from driveways, sidewalks, and patios. These powerful machines save you time and energy compared to traditional shovels, offering strong motors, lightweight designs, and efficient snow-throwing capabilities. Whether you're preparing for heavy snowfall or just need a convenient way to clear paths, we've got the top picks for you. Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. Earthwise SN70016 Electric Snow Shovel. When winter storms hit, clearing your driveway or sidewalk shouldn't be a grueling task. The Earthwise SN70016 Electric Snow Shovel delivers the power of a gas-powered snow thrower without the fumes, maintenance, or noise. With a 12-amp motor, 16-inch clearing width, and an impressive 30-foot throw distance, this corded electric snow shovel makes snow removal quick, efficient, and hassle-free. Powerful performance for heavy snowfall. With the ability to move up to 430 pounds of snow per minute, this snow shovel is built for efficiency. Number 4. EGO Power Plus MSS 1203 Snow Shovel Kit. Winter weather is no match for the EGO Power Plus MSS 1203 Multi-Head Snow Shovel Kit. Designed for efficiency, power, and durability, this cordless snow shovel packs serious performance into a user-friendly, battery-powered design. Whether you're clearing driveways, sidewalks, or patios, this tool delivers unparalleled convenience, all without gas, fumes, or excessive noise. Powerful performance and extended battery life. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, the EGO Power Plus Snow Shovel offers longer run times, reduced vibrations, and an extended motor lifespan. Number 3. Snow Joe 13-inch Cordless Snow Shovel. When winter hits, battling snow buildup on decks, patios, steps, and sidewalks can be a real hassle. But with the Snow Joe 13-inch Cordless Snow Shovel, you get a lightweight, powerful, and hassle-free snow removal experience, all without dealing with cords or gas. This all-in-one kit includes a protective cover, ice dozer scraper, 24V IMAX battery, and a quick charger, making it a complete winter-ready package. Powerful performance for quick snow clearing. Don't underestimate its size. This 400W electric motor can move up to 1,620 pounds of snow per charge. The 13-inch clearing width and 6-inch depth allow you to plow through snow efficiently, getting the job done in just a few passes. And with a maximum throw distance of 20 feet, you can easily direct snow where you want it, keeping pathways clear. Cordless freedom and maximum maneuverability. Forget about dealing with tangled cords or gas refills. This battery-powered snow shovel gives you unmatched flexibility. The 24V IronMax 4.0 lithium-ion battery delivers up to 22 minutes of runtime, perfect for quick clearing sessions. Number 2. Toro 38361 Power Shovel. Winter doesn't have to mean hours of backbreaking shoveling. The Toro 38361 Power Shovel is a lightweight yet powerful electric snow thrower designed to make snow removal fast, easy, and frustration-free. Whether you're clearing sidewalks, decks, patios, or driveways, this 7.5-amp electric snowblower is a compact, corded solution that gets the job done efficiently without the hassle of gas or heavy lifting. Small, but mighty performance. Don't let its 12.5-pound frame fool you. This power shovel moves up to 300 pounds of snow per minute. With a clearing width of 12 inches and a depth of 6 inches per pass, you'll clear 50 by 20-foot driveway in just 20 minutes. The curved rotor and inverted funnel design ensure smooth operation, minimizing clogging and keeping things moving. Plus, it can throw snow up to 20 feet, helping you direct it exactly where you need. User-friendly and hassle-free operation. Number 1. Voltask Cordless Snow Shovel. Tired of backbreaking snow shoveling? Say hello to the Voltask Cordless Snow Shovel, your new winter lifesaver. This lightweight, yet powerful cordless snowblower is designed to make snow removal effortless, efficient, and even enjoyable. Whether you're clearing your driveway, patio, steps, or sidewalks, this electric snow shovel ensures you get the job done quickly, without the strain or noise of traditional shovels. Power and performance in a compact package. Weighing just 9.3 pounds, the Voltask cordless snow shovel is impressively lightweight, making it perfect for anyone looking for an easy-to-handle solution. Despite its compact size, the 24V motor and 4.0 lithium-ion battery provide enough power to throw snow up to 20 feet. With a clearing width of 13 inches and a maximum snow depth of 6.5 inches, this tool is ideal for everyday winter cleanups. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.